my name is Grace, and we're going to be making pancakes. And this is how you draw a pancake. And I'm going to be pouring the grandma to make it mix too. It's kind of better instead of buying them, because you can learn how to make them.
Okay.
And that's how you start. Kind of cook the egg, but I don't really care. I'm going to maybe flip it, but I don't really know yet. I might not. I might pour that on top. I don't know. And this top. I'm pouring it now.
Good job. Very good job.
Do that. And put it over here. Over here a little bit. It's kind of close to the edge, so I'm going to put it this way. But when it's close to the edge, it's kind of easy, but it's not for me. Because I have a big one, like this. It's so sunny, you can see yourself, can't you? See?
I see.
This is how it looks.
You think it's ready to flip?
No, let's wait one more second. Okay. Let's wait until it gets a little bit more bubbles. Now do you think it is ready?
You can try it. Remember, you gotta go fast. Can you see your heart?
Yeah. Can you?
Look at that. What do you say?
I did amazing.
You did do amazing. That's cool.
I made 4 pancakes. One, you can't really see the heart. Another, you can't really see the smoke. That's pretty cool. And now I'm gonna draw a smiley face because the last one didn't do that well. So I'm gonna
smiley
try
face pancake.
Do it again. A dot. Dot. Nose. Can I draw a circle around it? I want to add like hair, but nah.
Oh, that would be cute, wouldn't it?
Can
some hair? Yeah, you could try it. Wouldn't hurt anything.
Yeah, it wouldn't.
All right, now what are you gonna do?
Now we sit and wait.
For what?
It to start bubbling. We're gonna wait longer instead.
Because you wanted to brown on that one side.
And I made it a little too big, but next time I'll make it a little bigger. No. A little smaller. The hair a little smaller because it took up too much room.
Okay.
Or I might draw in the middle next time because it's near the side. Do you think it's ready, guys?
Sure.
Okay.
Now what are you gonna do?
I'm about to flip it. Just slice it off. Always keep it in the middle.
Because why?
It might.
Gonna make it round?
I'm gonna get a little bit more.
Just a little bit. If you'll do it and you need more, you just give it a little shake and it'll spread out.
Yeah, but if it doesn't do that much shaking.
Put it down and shake it. There you go. That's good.
You can see a little bit of the
I gotta
thing.
get the sausage off.
That's okay. Sorry about the sausage noise.
I got it. I'm getting it.
Mom's cooking sausage, and we're having breakfast for dinner.
Yum. Okay.
We had a hamburger helper the other night, and it was delicious. Only me and my daddy for some reason.
I don't like it. It's okay. Not everybody likes everything. You wanted it, I made it. That's it
Hey,
counts.
it's called Hamburger Helper. That's why I helped you. Look, it isn't.
All right, so how do you know when to flip it again?
When there's so many bubbles.
All right.
I think it's ready.
You think it's ready?
Is it?
You tell me, cook, chef. Can you see the face?
Yep.
Very good.
That's a little better. Ooh, I can see the hair. Messed up a little bit. There's a hole.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Good job.
Shoulders kind of hurt from doing all that work. It's 6:45.
All right, so we're going to show the other pancakes you've done while we're waiting?
Yep. I have done. Oops. The heart.
I mean, hold on, I didn't get to see it.
The heart.
All right.
Smiley face.
All right.
And I done this other smiley face.
This is the
smiley face.
first time yeah.
And the heart. Eye. And it has like a dot kind of stuff. And then here's the first heart, the second heart I made. You can see it, but it's kind of burnt.
Yeah, it's big. It's a big heart.
Yeah. And then this one, you can't really see the heart, can you?
Just barely a little bit.
There.
Yeah. I can see it a little bit.
If I put it out, can you see it now?
Yeah. Gotta let them cook a little bit longer.
Yeah. When I'm done, I might let that cook a little bit more. I might let the ones that didn't cook that much cook again.
Okay.
Think it's ready?
You can try it. Oh, it doesn't seem ready, does it? Look and see if it's brown on the other side.
Not ready.
Not ready?
No.
Okay. There you go.
At least it'll be loose to do it now.
Mm-hmm.
I'm standing up, so I'm gonna get the other
I'm gonna
one.
put these up. I'm gonna make these eggs. All right. What are you gonna do now?
Well, bye guys.